am making pineapple salmon. What you're going to need is a can of pineapples. And this is about a 20-ounce can. You're going to need about 3 pounds of salmon. Now, if you look at my salmon is pretty thick. And it does have the skin on it. But I will probably take off the skin once it's cooked. Need some salt. You're going to need some pepper. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And that's what's in here. I am going to use a little bit of olive oil. But technically, you can use sesame oil. It's just too hard to find. You're going to need about 2 teaspoons of oil. A light oil. Right here, I'm going to use hot sauce. About 3 tablespoons. But technically, you need sweet chili sauce. But I'm going to substitute because I don't like sweet meat. You need equivalent to 3 cloves of garlic. I like garlic, so I'm going to use 3 tablespoons or semi to garlic. Gonna need some ginger, and you're going to probably use 2 teaspoons of ginger. You can either grind your ginger, fresh ginger, or like me, be cheap, just get the spice. In this right here is my toasted sesame seeds. And if you notice that I put aluminum foil, and normally I use my baking pad, but I use aluminum foils because we're going to lay these pineapples on the aluminum foil. So we're going to set this aside. And we're going to work on the seasonings of the salmon. Now, if you don't know, I love to marinate. And when you're fixing salmon, if you want the best tasting salmon, you must marinate at least an hour to 2 hours, or preferably overnight. So let's get ahead and start pouring the stuff in here. Should be 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And I just put a little extra in there. So there's that. Then I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of my hot sauce. One, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm using Louisiana. It's got a kick. And now it's time for my mince. And like I said, you want 3 cloves of this. And if you get some liquid in there, it's okay. So I'm just going to take the rest of my jar because my jar is about 3 cloves. Okay. There's that. Woo, this garlic is strong. You honeybee. And he sent me some Goya. I cannot get Goya out my way. And he sent me some cilantro, Goya, in the packages, and I really appreciate it. So, if anybody want to send me anything for Christmas, I love Goya, and I need Goya. 2 teaspoons of Goya. And now it's time for my ginger. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of ginger. Get in there. Okay. I have my salt. Dash of that. Some pepper. Dash of that. My butter. Ooh. I'm going to take my pineapples and I'm going to lay them out on the sheet. Them whole. Add a little bit of juice to my, because I love the pineapple flavor. Some juice. And I'm going to mix this up really, really good.
Okay, I'm sorry.
See, I'm going to lay it right on here. Make sure that it's on the pineapple. I'm going to take this sauce and pour it on top of here. And I'm going to get ahead and brush it all on here. My sesame seeds. Now, once it's cooked and it flakes, what you can do is take it and put it on the boiler and get ahead and boil it so it can get that crispy top. And I like that. I'm going to wrap this up nice and tight. Put it in the refrigerator 2 hours. Let's go. Preheat oven at 350 degrees. Bake about an hour, hour and a half. Just keep on checking on it. Make sure it's flaky. I'm going to take some pineapple juice. The rest of the pineapple juice I had. And to cut some of that heat, I'm going to put some pineapple juice on the top. Switch the boiler just so it can get a little golden on the top. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.